I'm going to show you how to line things up on different sides of your house, okay? So if I wanted a window here and I wanted the window to match up with this window and also this window, what you're going to do is you're going to put dots on the corners of your house, okay? So I already have the height for this window, so I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to line it up, okay? Back with the right vanishing point, and I'm going to put a dot right there on the corner of the building. Okay, that's for the bottom height. And then I'm going to take this top height. I'm going to do the same thing and match it up with the right vanishing point. And I'm going to put a dot again on the corner of the house. Actually, while I'm doing that, I could put the dot on this corner, and I could also put the dot right here. Okay, so now any window that lined up here or here would be using these dots. Any window that lined up with this window on this side of the house would have to use these dots. So this is what I'm talking about. So if I had a window over here and I wanted the height to match, all you have to do is line it up with the dot and the vanishing point. Okay, and that's how you would get the height. So now I'm going to just draw the verticals. Okay, so same thing. If I wanted a window over here, I take those dots. Okay, this is the corner here, and I'm actually going to the left one for this. Okay, so this window's on the left of the corner, so it's going to the left vanishing point. Matching up with the dot, drawing the line, matching up with the dot, matching up with the vanishing point. Okay, so that would be the height there. Now if I want to put a window here, while I was drawing this here, I would just put a dot. While I was drawing this one, I would put a dot here, okay? And now it's on the right of the corner, so I'm going back over to the right. I stopped looking at my paper. That's why I drew it off of the building. I apologize for that. I started looking at my phone recording, making sure that it didn't stop. Okay, so that would be the height. And then again, I would just go back in and I would draw my verticals. So I know that my windows are all uniform as far as the height goes. Okay, when I drew my door here, same thing. I would want the door to be the same height as the top of the windows. So I'm going to take this. Okay, so the top of my door will match the same height as my windows, but instead of cutting it off, it goes all the way down to the bottom. Like so. This is true if I had, so say I had my house and the bottom was brick and the top was siding. Okay, so when you're drawing those lines, okay, so this is where my brick is going to end. Okay, it's the same concept. Might be easier to see with this example with the separating the brick from the siding, because now you're seeing that it's all connecting. It's just going to different vanishing points. Okay, but you always want to make sure that the dots are lining up on the corner so you know the heights are the same.